Hi, I'm Joanne Anderson, immediate past president and CEO for UNC Health Southeastern. It's my pleasure to be with you today as we look at our Regional Community Health Awards for 2020 and 2021. The last year has been an unprecedented year. And unfortunately, last year we weren't able to present our awards. So we've combined them this year and we have some amazing nominees. We're looking forward to recognizing each one for their accomplishments this past year and for their contributions to our community. I have several people who are going to help me with this today, and we are excited to have you with us as well. Congratulations to each one of you that were nominated. You're all winners in my heart. I love each and every one of you and appreciate the work that you have done and the partnership that you've had with UNC Health Southeastern.
Good evening. My name is Lakeisha Hammonds, Director of Community Health Services, and again, welcome to our 2020-2021 Regional Community Health Awards. The purpose of this occasion is to recognize and celebrate leaders of health and wellness in our region who have set exemplary examples towards improving the health of our community. This is the 8th year of the UNC Health Southeastern's Community Health Awards and our 6th year regionally. Last year, due to COVID and an abundance of caution, the awards event was canceled. However, we are combining our 2020 nominees and 2021 nominees for this year's ceremony. The categories in which we'll be recognizing are In-House Heroes recognitions, Church recognition, Business, Community Education and Emergency Support, Government, Healthcare Worker, and Individual Impact. There will also be 2 special recognitions in the categories of Lifetime Commitment and Lifetime Achievement Awards. To our slate of nominees and those being recognized, you all truly exemplify and define a hero in every sense of the word. Each and every one of you have done a phenomenal job, so when we truly say that you are all winners, that is meant with all sincerity. To the audience, family, friends, and co-workers of the nominees, you are truly in for a delight this evening. Thanks to each and every one of you for making this event possible. I wholeheartedly thank you for the role or roles that you have played with making this event a success. I now present to you our 2020-2021 slate of nominees and honorees.
Hi, my name is Patrick Embry. I am Vice President and Chief Engagement Officer for UNC Health Southeastern. It is indeed my pleasure today to present the In-House Hero recognitions for 2020-2021. Our first honoree is Gibson Cancer Center. In the spring of 2020, at the onset of COVID-19, Gibson Cancer Center staff provided curbside service, including blood draws, injections, assessments, and doctor visits to minimize exposure to their patients, most of who are immunocompromised and susceptible to COVID-19. Patients will always remember and appreciate the times when the staff served from the vehicles, from cars to ambulances. Our next honorees are members of the Pulmonary Department. As a department, the respiratory therapists of UNC Health Southeastern have committed to adapting service and excellence of care throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Each therapist has accepted the challenge of learning new skills, implementing strategies, and pouring out endless compassion to patients, family, and staff alike. Our next in-house honoree is Wanda Faircloth. Wanda worked closely with Wesley Pine staff to encourage residents and families to vaccinate against COVID-19, including a Facebook Live presentation that garnered over 4,400 views. This video compelled many individuals who were on the fence about taking the vaccine to take it after watching and knowing that Wanda had been part of the trials. Next is Lisa Johnson. Lisa Johnson led the charge for COVID-19 testing for health system employees. She deployed policies and procedures for testing, self-quarantine, self-monitoring, and return to work guidelines. In addition, Ms. Johnson performed contact tracing on all staff testing positive to minimize the spread of COVID-19. Abigail Kraft. Abby has recently been promoted to the position of Manager of Central Services. She wears many hats for surgical services. She handles all situations with a positive attitude and is committed to stellar care for our patients. Miss Ivene Lucas. Ivene wears many hats and partners with several agencies in the county to better the health of our citizens. She has been a part of numerous efforts to get rural Robersonians vaccinated. Ms. Lucas is a vital part of improving the health of our community. She really is amazing and humble despite all that she does. It is indeed my honor and privilege to do a church recognition for the 2021 year. Max Chapel AME. During the pandemic and time of social distancing, Max Chapel AME has continued to provide services safely by offering Sunday ministries online, via Facebook, and Bible studies via Zoom. We would like to recognize Reverend Keith Davis and the congregation for their flexibility and health-forward practices.
Good evening, everybody. I am Lori Dove. I'm Vice President and the Interim Chief Operating Officer for Southeastern Health. I'd like to welcome you tonight, and we're going to talk about the Business Award category. Our first nominee in the business category is Digging In with Extension. With COVID-19 causing life to be so different, Mac Johnson and Cheyenne Desjarnett created Digging In with Extension, live virtual presentations each week that provided our citizens with the knowledge of how to grow their own vegetables to help promote a healthy eating choice. These are trying times, and this has been an asset to our community. The next nominee in our business category is Guardian Ad Litem. The Guardian Ad Litem program equips community volunteers to serve abused and neglected children by advocating for their best interests in court. From July 2020 through June 2021, the Robeson County Guardian Ad Litem program represented 738 children. During that year, a total of 56 community members served as Guardian Ad Litem volunteers, serving as the voice for children in the courts. And the winner is Guardian Ad Litem.
Good evening. My name is Renee Taylor. I'm a Vice President and Chief Nurse Executive at UNC Health Southeastern. I'm honored to be here tonight to present the award category of Community Education and Emergency Support. Our first nominee is Robeson County Housing Authority. During the pandemic, Robeson County Housing Authority distributed care kits with cleaning and safety supplies to nearly 300 families. RCHA has also partnered with multiple agencies and the public school system to provide food for the residents during this uncertain time. Our next nominee goes to Charlene Locklear. The Child Nutrition Department at the Public Schools of Robeson County has never had an easy job, but during the past 2 years, they have been called to go above and beyond. Director Charlene Locklear deserves much credit for the department's system-wide efforts to ensure children have access to food during virtual school, during the summer, and even now when students eat in their classroom. Our next nomination goes to April Oxendine. April is new to her current position as public health educator at the Robeson County Health Department, but she is a familiar face in the area. She has taken to her new job with gusto. You can regularly see April at outreach events in the evenings and on weekends. Her vitality and passion for our community will greatly benefit the people of our county. Ashley McCray. Ashley has provided adult food nutrition education to individuals throughout the county. From her classes, participants gain knowledge in eating smart and moving more. She has also partnered with UNC Health Southeastern Community Health Services Department to provide healthy recipe videos for the citizens of Robeson County. Our next nominee is Joanna Rogers. Joanna is an outgoing nutrition educator who has done amazing work in health and nutrition with the youth in Robeson County. Throughout the pandemic, Joanna has continually created ways to impact the lives of the children and has developed many partnerships with various agencies and local schools to expand services. And I'm happy to announce the winner is Charlene Locklear.
Good evening. My name is Justin Bynum. I'm the Chief Financial Officer at UNC Health Southeastern, and it is my privilege to announce the nominees for the Government Award. Our first nominee is Elizabeth Gilmore. Ms. Gilmore, who sits on the Maxton Town Council, is passionate about making sure her community has resources to be successful. She is the president of the 60 Plus Seniors Group, and Ms. Gilmore is always on the move to make sure she brings the best to the town of Maxton. Our next nominee is Matt Scott. As District Attorney, Mr. Scott has implemented and supports several programs in our community and county that promote treatment and education, including Driving While Impaired Court, Adult Treatment Court, and the Governor's Highway Safety Program. His support is essential to the success of these programs. And the winner is District Attorney Matt Scott.
Good evening. My name is Joseph Roberts. I'm the Vice President and CMO at UNC Health Southeastern. I am honored to present the awards for Healthcare Worker Award for our community providers. Our first nominee is Debbie Locklear. Debbie is an inspirational nursing instructor. She role models the best qualities of the profession through her volunteerism in the community. From disaster relief to vaccination campaigns, she is always on the front lines and brings the students along to demonstrate the value of giving back to the community. Debbie Locklear. Next we have Dr. Okoye. We call him Obi. But Dr. Okoye has been instrumental in guiding hospital staff as well as administration in regards to COVID-19 policy and recommendations. He stays current and up to date with ever-changing CDC guidelines and willingly shares that knowledge to the entire medical staff as well as private providers in the community. He was the first individual to be vaccinated in the county and has been a tireless spokesman for the benefits of the vaccination. He has consulted on almost all inpatient COVID-19 patients at UNC Health Southeastern and helps guide treatment recommendations per CDC and infectious disease guidelines. I know this very well because I'm the person that nominated Dr. Okoye. And last but not least, we have Dr. Joseph Roberts. Dr. Roberts is extremely dedicated to the health of our community. He is smart. Not sure who put that in there. He's hardworking, kind, and compassionate. He has been instrumental in bringing together health professionals from all disciplines to work together for the betterment of our community. He has also encouraged and participated in vaccination education efforts by the Lumbee Tribe of North Carolina. Dr. Roberts. And the winner is, as if there was any question, Dr. Okoye.
Well, good evening again. I'm Lori Dove, Vice President and the Interim Chief Operating Officer for Southeastern Health. We're going to look at the category of Individual Impact Award. Our first nominee is Tim Clark. He is a positive role model for kids in his community. He works hard to make sure kids have access to variety of sporting events. He even coaches. Mr. Clark shows children the importance of not only a healthy lifestyle, but teaches them leadership and self-efficacy skills. Our next nominee is Cindy Collins. Cindy is a strong advocate for patients of Liberty Home Care and Hospice. She ensures that they have a seamless transition from hospital to home care. Ms. Collins skillfully coordinates communication between the patients, their care team, and their families. Our next nominee is Val Comrie. Val is the Robeson County Family Treatment Court Program Director, as well as the Robeson R Corp Project Director. Val has worked with the Family Treatment Court since its implementation in 2008, addressing the many social disparities our community faces. She is dedicated and hardworking, and she truly cares about our community and the clients she works with on a day-to-day basis. And our final nominee is Miss Maggie Underwood. Maggie utilized her time during quarantine making face mask clips for local providers. These included Robson Pediatrics and Gibson Cancer Center. These clips can be worn to relieve pressure off the ears from wearing a face mask for an extended period of time. At this time, she has donated more than 200 clips. And the winner is Miss Val Comrie.
Hi, I'm back with you and happy to be here, and congratulations to all of our winners thus far. I get the privilege of presenting two phenomenal people with awards tonight. The first one being the Lifetime Commitment Award. And I want to say that when you think of the word commitment, you can't think of a better person than Dr. Cherry Beasley. When this woman is committed to something, she is committed. She's all in. And it's been a privilege to work with her for the past 14 and a half years. Just some of the things that she has done have been amazing, whether it has to do with her leading the nursing program at UNCP, her initiatives to improve the health of our citizens in our community, or most recently, the vaccination attempts within the community as it relates to COVID-19. Her leadership, her devotion, her dedication shines through in everything that she does. I was given some notes about what Cherry has accomplished over the past 3 decades in her involvement in healthcare in our community. But I think the biggest thing that we need to know about her is that whatever she does, she's committed to it. She's a champion for it. She is high energy. She challenges everybody that works with her to make sure that they're committed to the same vision and the same goals that she is. Always with the focus on the individuals in the community and what difference is it going to make for them. Her research and her education at the UNCP has been an amazing contribution to not only the UNCP but to the region and to the state. She's been involved at all levels. And with that, she takes Robeson County with her everywhere she goes. She loves the people that she works with and the people that she's working for, and the people in her community. She's worked with the tribe, most recently around the vaccination, and educating the public about the need for vaccinations. And I appreciate and applaud her for that. I also appreciate and applaud her for her commitment to just improving the overall health. When you talk about population health, she can get energized and talk about that forever. Cherry, I love you. I appreciate you. I know you've had other awards. Happy to add this to your trophy case, and congratulations on the Lifetime Commitment Award. My next award is for the Lifetime Achievement Award, and this year's winner is Dr. Robin Peace. And Robin and I have this mutual love relationship. We respect each other dearly. She is a woman that is passionate about what she does. She is passionate about what she does with the people that she cares for every day. She's not only a family medicine physician, but she considers herself a preacher of health. And when you want to meet somebody who is going to give you that message about improving your health, Robin Peace is the person to do it. When I think about lifetime achievement, you want to think about people who have done, you often think about somebody who's done something grandiose. Robin is humble. She's not about doing grandiose things to get attention, and she's probably embarrassed that she's getting this tonight. But when Robin gets herself involved in the community and thinks about the people that she loves and cares for every day, she can't do anything but be passionate and have it come out in a bigger-than-life personality. She's talented in more ways than one, articulate, caring, a community spirit. She's not only a provider for us at Southeastern, but she's a leader within the Southeastern system. She's currently the president of our medical staff. She's the medical director for Woodhaven. She helps us with our hospice program. She has been an avid preacher, if you will, for vaccinations. She's been very vocal, not only on the local level, but on the state level. She's doing it from the standpoint of caring about you. If you're watching this video tonight, Robin Peace would say, I love you. I want you to be the best person you can be. I want you to be in the best health you can be. She doesn't just preach it though, she lives it. Robin's a runner. She is active in the exercise community. She encourages others to do that. She gets others involved by being their partner in exercise. She has a mindset that says, whatever I do, I'm going to do it to the best of my abilities. And I'm going to impact the people around me in a positive way. Her faith is strong. She uses that faith to power her every day. And for this community, she is an individual who has given everything that she can possibly give to make it a better community in every aspect of her life. Robin chose to be here. And I think when she came thinking she was only going to be in Robeson County for a short period of time. And luckily for us, she's been here for over 20 years. Robin, you are a wonderful person. I wish you the best in the future, and I can't think of a better person to receive the Lifetime Achievement Award for 2020-2021.
I'm Chris Ellington, the new president and CEO of UNC Health Southeastern. I also want to congratulate all this year's nominees and winners of the Community Health Award. While I'm new to the community, it is such an honor to be associated with a group of caring and selfless individuals that are doing exactly what we're trying to do, improve the health and well-being of the patients and the communities that we serve. Again, I want to thank you all, and I look forward to meeting you in the future.